welcome to my channel. I'm Zolo and today I show you how to make the planet. This is usual the first things that we learn from this kind of art, and I think one of the most beautiful effects in all of the paint. But before to leave you to my tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to keep update about all of the other tutorial and to help me to grow up my channel. Thank you for that, much appreciated, and it's time to spray paint. Ciao! Now we're gonna make one of the beautiful things of the spray paint art, the planet. When you are in the street and you do the planet and you remove this one, the people think, wow! First of all, we need colors. Today I use yellow, orange, red, white and black. Piece of newspaper, our sauce, a piece of cardboard. I take 2 pieces of cardboard that we use to make the stars. We decide where we want to do the planet. After that, with the most light color, we spray around to make the shape of the planet. Okay, that's it. Now we know that we have to work in this part. After that, you have to decide which kind of color you want as a background. I like to use white. And then I start with the yellow, orange, red and black. Okay, after that, from the car, put the paper on the top and then press just a little bit and remove. Be sure that you have all this kind of effect around the planet. And now black. Try to spray curve, okay, to give a shape like a bowl. Okay, why black? Why white? To give the planet a shape like a ball, we need a light point and a dark point. Especially because when we will have our planet, just next to the dark point, we will put another color, light color, to give the sensation of the death. Okay, when it's dry, try to save a nice part of dark point. Is anyway more important than the light point, because anyway we have the yellow. Put something heavy on it, because now we're gonna spray the black color to make the space, okay, and we want that the black go through and ruin our planet. Now, with the white, we're gonna spray the white in the corner, okay? Just in the corner. After that, we're gonna throw a bit of paint, and then with this movement, we're gonna create the stars. First outside, and then and now we're gonna do something that most of the people forget, but it's really important. We're gonna give the perspective of death, thanks spraying a bit of color like red in this part where we have our dark point of the planet. Okay, be careful, don't spray directly on the cardboard, spray on the side. then you can avoid to put too much color around the planet. Ready to see your planet? Here we are. Looks, thanks to the red next to the dark point of the planet, looks that there is a light on the back, and the shape looks definitely like a sphere. For this tutorial is everything, and my advice is just do practice, and see you in the next tutorial.